If you execute some commands, let's say I am just typing ls, it is listing the items of the current directory, and let's say I want to execute this command on a unique way, then we can do this using double exclamation mark. So what this will do is this will execute this command again, and let's see in action. If I hit enter, as you can see it is executed the ls command. Now the fun thing about this is that we can pass arguments as well using this double exclamation mark. Let's say I want to pass the argument, let's say tag la. It will show the access and other details about these files and directories. So if I hit enter, as you can see it is executed this command ls tag la. Now let's try another command. Let's say I am typing, let's say ls, I'm typing cl clear. It will clear the screen. Now if I enter that command double exclamation mark again, and if I hit enter, as you see it, you might think that it does nothing, but it is clearing the screen again and again. If I type again, as you can see it is executing that. Now let's try another one. Starting the PHP server, PHP tag s, then the host name. So let's say it is host. Now started. Now let's control C to exit this. To run this again, I can do this using double exclamation mark. As you can see it is started. It is executed this command again.